I'm Andreza, Lona. I work at CPQD. Our company is 48 years old, and we work with blockchain since 2016. We started with a few studies and projects, and nowadays we are working with digital identity and focus on Basil and Indie. We've developed a platform based on the community frameworks to provide digital identity for companies. And now we are working on projects with some banks, major banks in Brazil, also with Data Bureau in financial segments to provide identity and prove identity and verification for services acquisition. One of the major benefits of being part of the community is to be able to share experiences and share knowledge and develop together technology that supports solutions for business needs. Working together, we can address some of the challenges that are common to many companies. Very qualified people around the globe, they are working together as a team with you. As we share the challenges, we can also share the solutions. And when we do that, we can focus on the main goals of each solution